I just need a hair product, but Target never let me live with just that. Let me take a card just in case. I just finished my shift and very tired. Where is it? Where is it? It's 5 p.m. I like morning shift because somehow after the shift I'm so exhausted. When I have night shift, I usually work on videos in the morning, like 4 or 5 hours before work. But somehow after morning shift, I have no energy. Like when I go back home, I feel like so exhausted and barely make a dinner real quick and just go to the bed. Yeah, of course I take shower. I think I found it. Dry shampoo, dark hair. What's dry shampoo? Wash your hair without water? Is that what that means? Oh my god, I really have no idea. This is for hair care. So this is not for styling. Hair gel is this expensive? It's very small. So almost 10 bucks. This says stronger curls. Oh, this is shampoo. This is flexible foam hold, level 3. And this is level 5. I think this is the strongest. I think flexible is better because I got prom, right? Maybe. I think so. Okay, let me get this one. Oh, I found something else. This is styling gel and it's almost half price. Let me get this one instead. Maybe I want to get this one instead. It says flexible waves and curls. I guess this is what I need. There are so many options. I can't decide what I should get. This is too complicated for me. Seriously, I'm lost. I don't know what to buy. Okay, I changed mind again. I'm gonna go with this curling cream. Let me try. Let me try out and then I will see if it's good or not. I'm going to try this. Let me know if it's the essence. And let me get some milk. I want to make a cafe latte at home. Then I need a milk, not chocolate milk, right? Like, can I use oat milk? I like oat milk better, or almond. Let me get almond milk. So I have a question. Why are they smaller but more expensive than this? Let me know why they are more expensive than this. These days I'm having breakfast with Greek yogurt, apple, and banana. If I buy this, can I bake with an air fryer? Can I? I got everything I need. Let's go home. I'm so tired. I'm gonna clean up house a little bit and take shower and make dinner. I'll see you at home. Is this only me or you guys are the same? Like, I always forgot to bring my shopping bag, and when I check out, I don't want to buy the plastic bag, even it's only 10 cents. I hold them like this, like all the way to the car. Yeah, yesterday and this morning was really raining very hard, and it's slowing down now. I'm home, and I don't feel like filming anymore. Very tired. I'm gonna take shower and take good rest. See you.